My name is Lilish, and in today's tutorial, we're using the beautiful star stitch to make these cute, simple, and easy crochet bracelets. They're perfect for gifts or just fun to wear. Let's get started.
Using the star stitch, I make different bracelets based on different yarn type. For this particular one, I use this clamp hardware, the little gold beads, and I use a cotton yarn. For this one, I use acrylic. I used sticky back dots, acrylic material. For this one, I just use a cute little bottom to attach the two together. For this one, I joined them here. I joined this side. We're going to start with a slip knot. Once we have the slip knot, we're going to chain pairs of 2. We need to chain as many as you need based on the size you want. So I have 4 here. Every 2 you will make 1 like this. So this is 2 here. This is the star right here. This is 2 and this is the other one, and so on. So we have 2, 4, 6. So far I have 30 here. And if I wrap around, I have enough here to make it tight. So 30. I am going to do 34 in here. 32 and 34. So this is going to be how many I am going to make. So this is the side of the bracelet. Now that I have the number of stitches I want to make, I am going to chain 4 more. This is where I'm going to build the first star stitch. I'm going to use this 4 and I'm going to use 2. And from here, that way, we're going to use every 2 of this chain. So the first step is to use the second stitch from the hook. But we're going to start doing the little bumps in the back. This is where we're going to work, right there. So if this is our first loop, we're going to use the second stitch from the hook, and we are going to bring the yarn from the back and have 2 loops. That is 2 loops right there. For the next step, we're going to pull that little bump, and this is 3 loops. We go to the next one, and this is 4 loops. We go to the next one. In total, we need 6 loops to make the star stitch. Right here, we have 5. We need 1 more right here, and this is our 6. Now we need to yarn over. Now we yarn over, and with the same position of the hook, we pull through all of them. Yarn over and make a chain. This is our first stitch, our first star stitch, and we're going to make every 2 we make 1 of these little stitches. For the next one, we're going to use that first loop. This is going to be the second one, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. That's the location where we're going to make the loops. So we have 1, 2, 3, right there, 4, 5 and 6. Hold it, yarn over, pointing down, pull through all of them at the same time, yarn over and chain 1. Right there we have our second one. So now we continue, and this is repetition. This is our first loop. Second one goes here, third one goes here, fourth right here at the end, right here, 4, 5 and 6. Let's do this together. 2 loops, 3 loops, 4 loops in the hook, 5, 6. Hold it, yarn over, pointing down, pull through, add 1 all together, chain 1. Now we're going to repeat that process all the way to here. Remember, for each set we used 2 loops here. We used the 2 bumps for each set. I will continue and go all the way to here. I completed my 17 sets. That equals 34 stitches plus the 4 over here. In the way back, it's very easy. We're going to chain 2, turn, yarn over, and we're going to make 1 half double crochet in the first center right here. Now from now on, we're going to do 2 half double crochet in every center right there. So this is right here. This is 1, 2. That's 2. We're going to go to the next one. Two half double crochet. Next one right here. Let's take a look, and this is forming this beautiful stitch, beautiful star stitch. We'll continue all the way to here. I completed all the half double crochet. Look how beautiful this pattern is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So now at the end in here, you can either do slip stitch or we can do a single crochet right there to mimic the other side. So from here, we can cut here and we have our bracelet. We have all these options. We can do a button, we can do a little hardware clock there, we can do beads, or we can do the dots, or we can put them together like this. And these are the different options that you can use. Add this part over here, or adding this little touch to it.